As we approach 2025, it's time to start planning your next adventure. Globe, whether you are seeking culture, breathtaking landscapes, or a luxurious escape, these top 10 destinations will leave you in awe.
Oh, did you cry when I found you in the night? Staying up till 5.
Get ready to explore the world like never before. From ancient ruins to pristine beaches, here are the top 10 places you absolutely can't miss in 2025.
Up till 5 a.m. Told me you and him were friends.
So grab your passport, pack your bags, and let's dive into some of the most incredible places on earth. Kyoto, Japan. Kyoto, Japan, is a city of timeless beauty.
Woke up in a burning home. Blame myself, I should have known.
Known for its historic temples, serene gardens, and traditional tea ceremonies, Kyoto offers a perfect blend of old-world charm and modern culture. If you're into history, culture, or stunning scenery, Kyoto should definitely be on your 2025 travel list. How to get there? Fly into Osaka's Kansai International Airport and then take a train to Kyoto, which is just an hour away. The city is well connected with public transport, making it easy to get around. Visit iconic spots like the Golden Pavilion, Kinkakuji, the Fushimi Inari Shrine, and take a walk through the Arashiyama Bamboo Grove. Kyoto's Gion district offers an authentic Japanese cultural experience with its traditional tea houses and geisha culture. Kyoto can be quite crowded during peak seasons, and the weather can be humid during summer months. Make sure to plan ahead and book accommodations in advance. Indulge in traditional kaseki, a multi-course meal, matcha-flavored sweets, and sushi at local restaurants like Gion Karyo. Head to Nishiki Market for fresh food and unique local crafts, and don't miss Teramachi Street for a variety of souvenirs. Hike up Mount Kurama for beautiful panoramic views of Kyoto, or take a relaxing stroll along the Philosopher's Path, especially beautiful during the cherry blossom season. Luxury seekers should check out the Ritz-Carlton Kyoto, while more budget-conscious travelers can enjoy a traditional experience at Guest House Inn.
A place he'll die fate, buried in the catacombs. Setting fire to the life
Reykjavik, Iceland. Next up is Reykjavik, Iceland. Known for its surreal landscapes, hot springs, and otherworldly views, Iceland is a destination for nature lovers and adventure seekers alike.
such a fucking waste of time.
2025 could be your year to experience the incredible natural wonders of the land of fire and ice. Fly into Keflavik International Airport and take a 45-minute drive into Reykjavik. Renting a car is ideal if you plan to explore the Golden Circle or venture to more remote areas. Visit the Blue Lagoon, trek across glaciers, or witness the stunning northern lights in winter. Don't miss the Golden Circle route, which covers the Thingvellir National Park, Geyser, and the iconic Gullfoss waterfall. Iceland's weather can be unpredictable. Make sure to dress warmly and bring waterproof gear. Be mindful of high prices, especially for tours and food. Try Icelandic lamb, fresh seafood, and traditional dishes like skyr, Icelandic yogurt. A great dining spot is Grillmakadurinn in Reykjavik. Explore the boutiques of Reykjavik for Icelandic wool sweaters, handmade jewelry, and local art. The Laugavegur shopping street has a variety of shops to choose from. Gullfoss waterfall, the Vatnajökull glacier, and the spectacular Seljalandsfoss and Skogafoss waterfalls should be on your must-see list. For a luxurious stay, book a room at Hotel Bog, or for a more affordable yet cozy option, Kex Hostel is a great choice. Continue for other destinations, add 8 more destinations in similar detail: Machu Picchu, Peru Santorini, Greece Cape Town, South Africa Bora Bora, French Polynesia Banff National Park, Canada Great Barrier Reef, Australia New York City, USA Dubai, UAE Kyoto, Japan. Closing remarks. Santorini, Greece, is a dream come true for travelers seeking iconic views, beautiful beaches, and a rich history. Famous for its striking sunsets and unique architecture, Santorini is the place to unwind and enjoy Mediterranean beauty. How to get there? Fly into Santorini, Thera National Airport, which is well connected by flights from Athens and other major European cities. You can also take a ferry from Athens to reach the island. Relax on the black sand beaches of Kamari, visit the ancient ruins of Akrotiri, and enjoy the view from Oya, known for its legendary sunsets. Don't miss a visit to the caldera for stunning volcanic views. Santorini is a popular destination, so it can get crowded in peak seasons. Accommodation can be expensive, so booking early is recommended. Enjoy local dishes like moussaka, fava, yellow split pea deep, and fresh seafood. A great place to dine is Metaxi Mas for traditional Greek cuisine. Shop for beautiful handmade jewelry, leather goods, and art in Oya. Don't miss the local markets for unique souvenirs. Visit the volcanic islands and take a boat tour. The caldera cliffs provide breathtaking views and a perfect spot for photography. For a luxury experience, book a stay at Canav's Oya Suites and Spa. For something more affordable, try Hotel Sunny Villas. Cape Town, South Africa voiceover, audio narrating. Next up is Cape Town, South Africa. Known for its stunning landscapes, rich history, and diverse culture, Cape Town offers an adventure that's hard to beat. From the top of Table Mountain to the stunning beaches, this city has something for everyone. Fly into Cape Town International Airport, which is one of the busiest airports in Africa and connects to most international destinations. You can also drive from other parts of South Africa if you are exploring the country. Take a cable car to the top of Table Mountain, visit Robben Island, where Nelson Mandela was imprisoned, and relax on the beaches of Camps Bay. Don't forget to explore the beautiful Kirstenbosch Botanical Gardens. Safety can be a concern in some parts of the city, so it's recommended to stay in well-known areas like the waterfront or Camps Bay and take guided tours. Cape Town is known for its fresh seafood and South African specialties. Try a traditional bunny chow, or enjoy fine dining at the Test Kitchen. V&A Waterfront is a great place for shopping, offering a variety of high-end shops and local boutiques. You can also explore Green Market Square for handmade crafts. Don't miss the Cape of Good Hope and the nearby Boulders Beach, where you can see African penguins. Also, visit the stunning beaches like Clifton and Llandudno. For luxury, stay at one and only Cape Town. For a more budget-friendly option, the Sweet Ocean View Guest House is a charming choice. Bora Bora, French Polynesia, paradise on earth. Bora Bora is the ultimate getaway for those seeking tranquility, romance, and natural beauty. Known for its crystal-clear waters and luxurious resorts, Bora Bora is the perfect destination for a tropical escape. Fly to Faa International Airport in Tahiti, then take a domestic flight to Bora Bora. You'll be whisked away by boat to your island resort. Indulge in a luxury resort experience with overwater bungalows, go snorkeling or diving in the turquoise lagoons, and take a boat ride around the island to explore the coral reefs. Due to its remote location, traveling to Bora Bora can be expensive. It's important to plan your budget accordingly, especially for accommodation and activities. Enjoy fresh seafood, particularly Tahitian ceviche, and dishes like poisson cru, a marinated fish salad. Consider dining at the St. Regis Bora Bora for an unforgettable experience. See, while Bora Bora is more known for its resorts, you can find local handmade crafts like black pearls, jewelry, and woven goods at small boutiques on the island. Natural attractions. Don't miss the Mount Otemanu hike for panoramic views, and take a lagoon tour to explore the vibrant marine life. Where to stay? For the ultimate luxury experience, stay at the St. Regis Bora Bora Resort. For a more budget-friendly option, consider staying at the Bora Bora Pearl Beach Resort and Spa. Banff National Park, Canada. Banff National Park in Canada is a true nature lover's paradise, offering stunning mountains, crystal-clear lakes, and diverse wildlife. Whether you love hiking, skiing, or simply relaxing in the wilderness, Banff has something special in every season. How to get there? Fly into Calgary International Airport, and then drive about 1.5 hours to Banff. The park is easily accessible by car, with plenty of rental options available. Explore Lake Louise, hike up to the Johnston Canyon, and take a ride on the Banff gondola for panoramic views of the Rocky Mountains. In winter, enjoy skiing at the world-renowned Banff and Lake Louise ski resorts. Banff can be crowded, especially in peak seasons, so it's best to visit during off-peak months. Also, accommodation can be pricey in the park, so planning ahead is essential. Try local Canadian specialties like poutine or Alberta beef steaks. The Bison Restaurant in Banff offers a great dining experience with mountain views. Banff Avenue has plenty of shops offering outdoor gear, local art, and souvenirs like maple syrup and handmade jewelry. Don't miss the famous Moraine Lake, Bow Falls, and the stunning Lake Minnewanka. There are also numerous hiking trails for all levels of adventure. For a luxurious stay, check out Fairmont Banff Springs. For something more affordable, try the Banff Rocky Mountain Resort. Great Barrier Reef, Australia. The Great Barrier Reef is one of the 7 natural wonders of the world, and it should definitely be on your travel list. Known for its vibrant coral reefs and marine biodiversity, it's an adventure for divers and nature enthusiasts. Fly into Cairns or Airlie Beach and take a boat or seaplane to the reef. Cairns has many tour operators that offer diving and snorkeling trips. Snorkel or dive to see the colorful marine life, go on a glass-bottom boat ride, or explore the reef on a luxury sailing tour. Be mindful of the coral bleaching and environmental conservation efforts in the region. Stick to responsible tour operators that follow sustainable practices. Enjoy fresh seafood like barramundi or mud crab. Dine at Ochre Restaurant in Cairns for an authentic experience. Cairns is home to many souvenir shops selling local crafts and Aboriginal art. Besides the Great Barrier Reef, consider visiting Daintree Rainforest and the Whitsunday Islands for more tropical beauty. For a luxurious experience, stay at the Pullman Reef Hotel Casino in Cairns. For a more laid-back stay, consider staying in Airlie Beach. New York City, USA. Last but certainly not least, New York City. Known as the city that never sleeps, NYC offers endless attractions, cultural experiences, and iconic landmarks that make it a top destination for 2025. Fly into John F. Kennedy International Airport or LaGuardia Airport. NYC is well connected with subways, taxis, and buses, so getting around is easy. Visit Central Park, take a trip to the Statue of Liberty, shop on Fifth Avenue, and explore the Metropolitan Museum of Art. A Broadway show is a must-do when in the city. New York can be overwhelming with its crowds, high costs, and fast pace. However, with careful planning, you can experience the best of the city. From New York-style pizza to bagels, food is an integral part of the experience. Don't miss food markets like Smorgasburg for amazing local bites. Fifth Avenue and Soho are perfect for shopping, offering high-end boutiques and unique shops. Visit the High Line, a park built on a former elevated rail line, and take a stroll through the Brooklyn Bridge Park for amazing views of the skyline. For a luxurious stay, book a room at the Plaza Hotel or the St. Regis, New York. Budget-friendly options include the Pod hotels. B-roll footage. Make sure to add engaging B-roll footage of each destination to keep the viewer attention. Smooth transitions between destinations to maintain a steady flow. Highlight key information with text overlays for each destination, especially the highlights like best food or natural attractions. Ask viewer to share their own travel bucket lists in the comments, creating interaction with the audience. Closing remarks. There you have it. These are the top 10 places you simply must visit in 2025. Whether you are looking for adventure, relaxation, culture, or breathtaking beauty, these destinations will make your travel dreams come true. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and comment below with your dream destination for 2025. Thanks for watching, and see you on the next adventure.